Okay, we're back. Okay, so we're going to do the, looks like exhaust first. That's one I grabbed. Okay, that goes in there, goes there. Put a little bit of snot on that, lubricant. Do the exhaust first. Be on the edge of the board so you clear everything. Just come on down and hit it. Okay, all I need is just to kiss it lightly. Want to get down to about 450-ish or so. Looks like we're about there, give or take a little bit. It's pretty close, 445 maybe. Okay, that's it for that one. And do the same thing on this one. Camera's in a great spot, we can't see nothing. Good choice. Let's see, that time we are a little bit taller. I didn't push as much. Make sure I didn't cut too far. Should be enough that time. Yep. Yeah, 455 or so. Okay, we're going to go on the other side now. You might be able to see more. Oh, you're on the cutting side now. Switch over the intake. Not very close, is it? Good thing I don't have to be very straight. These are going to cut down a lot deeper. Get to 400. Again. So we did 450 on the exhaust, 400 on that, 50 thou more. We'll get that 60 thou shim under, remember? So they're about equal. Alright, so you see how this guy's a lot shorter than this one now. See if we can see it. Okay, those got to be all cleaned up. Put all this junk away. But before we do that, we got to go over and cut some collars. Right here, do some collar cutting. So let's here go over here. Gotta blow these away. Yeah, it looks like I gotta reset my cutter up here. Appears I was doing some fancy cutting before. So the compound's all out of whack and everything. I was doing some fancy head cutting, so I gotta move all this stuff back around where it belongs. Alright, so this is supposed to be over here, way over here, not over here. We can see it. So I have to move things around before you can release the lathe. That's why these things are adjustable, so you can move them around for special applications. This is called the compound rest because it's compound adjustment. Okay, so we go over to here. Where's that crap? Okay, that takes care of that. We got our cutter adjustment. Move it over here. Slide it back out to where I like it. Probably too far down. Come up a little bit. There we go. Now we're going to change out the bit. If those are heat treated, it's going to kill the bit. And I had my real good bit in here for doing good work. I'm going to change this one out to a different one. That's why we got all these bits over here. So, what's going to be our new victim? Ooh, that looks like a victim right there. That was a good one right there. This one's well used up. Time to use it up some more, I think. I wouldn't grab one of these other ones. They've already been. I think this one looks better. This one's a little bit bigger. It looks like I sharpened it recently. Blow the crap out of the holder. Okay, that's tightened up. Good elbow shot there, I'm sure. We always give you the best camera angles, we can't see nothing. These are so damn big, they don't want to fit in the grooves in a chuck here. Nope, they're not fitting in there. Gonna wobble like crazy. Go in here and make it disappear. Look a little low still. Center line up a little bit. Alright, go for it. Looks like we're in low gear. Oh yeah, we're in low gear. We're in high gear. Oh, what faster? That bit's too short. Doesn't fit. Means I gotta pull it out a little bit. Otherwise, no one's gonna cheat. They grab too many times, undersized. These are soft. You know, heat treating this stuff. Leave a little bit on there. Theoretically, we could probably leave something on there for the spring. Grab a spring. Let's see if I grab a hold of my anything in there. Yeah, it grabs a little bit. cut this one off. Range rule. Alright, that one's trimmed off, flush. This one I think I'll leave a little extra on this one. See how it works. These don't really fit in here very well. Well, that's pretty soft. I don't like that. Something to bind up on. The spring gets up on top of that, it'll coil bind quicker and then have a problem. I'd rather just make it flush, don't have to worry about it. It's best not to overthink this stuff and make it too fancy. You can cause yourself more problems than it's worth. I never use a chuck key unattended either. Bad habit to get into there like that. Yeah, it seems hard to get in there centered. Tight. Yep. Cut really soft, so in a little bit. Yeah. Don't like it. Redo it. Yeah, it's getting worse. I'm going to make it better and making it worse. Should be it. Yep. Got that time. Lucked out, right? Sure. There we go. All trimmed down. Nice and flush like they're supposed to be. Alright, get all this mess cleaned up, leave it back.